Welcome to our video on genetics and plant breeding for competitive exams. This video will provide a comprehensive overview of genetics and plant breeding. Let's get started. Father of genetics, Mendel. Father of zoology, Aristotle. Chromosomal theory of inheritance, 1903 by Sutton and Boveri. Chromosome named by Waldeyer, a nucleoprotein. Chromosome discovered by Strasburger in 1875. Annexed, DNA replication, semi-conservative model proposed by Watson and Crick. Fluid mosaic model given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Longest mitotic phase, prophase. Shortest mitotic phase, anaphase. Crossing over takes place in Packettine stage. Annexed, structure of chromosome best observed during metaphase. Base plus sugar, nucleoside. Base plus sugar plus phosphate, nucleotide. Theory of acquired characteristics was proposed by Lamarck. Meiosis, reductional cell division, occurs in gametes. Annexed, mitosis, equational cell division, occurs in other than gametes. Unit of heredity is gene. Respiratory roots are called as pneumatophores for respiration. Epistasis, expression of a non-allelic gene by another gene. Annexed, powerhouse of cell, mitochondria. Closest form of inbreeding possible in self-incompatibility species is ship mating. Clone is generally heterozygous. Hybrid is always heterozygous. Alleles, alternative forms of genes. Physical basis of life is protoplasm. Annexed, most abundant form of RNA is known as rRNA. RNA synthesis takes place in nucleolus. Potato plus tomato, pomato, achieved through protoplasmic fusion. In 1944, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy demonstrated that DNA was the genetic material. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Annexed, oldest method of plant breeding is selection in self-pollinated crops. A pure line is the progeny of single self-fertilized homozygous plant. Progeny selection is also known as year-to-row method of selection. Annexed, pedigree refers to record of the ancestry of an individual selected plant. Bulk method is also known as mass method and population method. Modification of bulk method is single seed descent. A cross between a hybrid and one of its parents, crossing of F1 with either of its parents called backcross. Annexed, parent which participate many times in backcross is recurrent parent. Parent which participate only one time in backcross is non-recurrent parent. Progeny of a single plant obtained by asexual reproduction is known as clone. Superiority of F1 hybrids over both of its parents called heterosis. Annexed, heterosis is also known as hybrid vigor. The term heterosis was coined by G.H. Schell in 1914. Production of plants in F2 generation that are superior to both the parents for one or more characters is known as transgressive breeding. Variety produced by crossing of number of inbred in all combinations that combine well each other called synthetic varieties. Annexed, sudden heritable change in any characteristics of an organism is called mutation. The term mutation was coined by Hugo de Vries in 1990. Multilines was first suggested in oats by Jensen in 1952. Annexed, Inbreeding depression may be defined as the reduction or loss in vigor and fertility as a result of inbreeding. Heterosis is accompanied with an increased fertility, while luxuriance is expressed by interspecific hybrids that are generally sterile or poorly fertile. Next, tables. So here comes the limiting amino acids in some vegetarian protein foods. In cereals, the limiting amino acids are lysine, threonine and tryptophan. For pulses, methionine and tryptophan. Nuts and oilseeds, lysine. Green leafy vegetable, methionine is the limiting amino acid. Leaves and grasses, methionine. And next, the toxic substances found in different crops. Caseridol, the toxic substance is latrogen or neurotoxin. Cowpea, red gram and soybean, trypsin inhibitors. For French bean, hemagglutinin. Soybean, high protein and oil content. Rapeseed and mustard, erucic acid and glucosinolates. Cotton, gossypol. Yam, alkaloids. Diosgenin. And next, field pea, antivitamin E factor. Safflower, polyphenolics. Potato, alkaloids. Brinjal, bitter principle, solosodin. Cassava and sorghum, HCN, CN glucosides. Alfalfa, saponin. And next, sweet clover, coumarin. Mango, resins. Sudan grass, HCN. So, if you have any doubt, please ask under the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.